Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Thursday. Morning. Another dump in the markets. I thought we were gonna play the upside today above yesterday high. What happened overnight that the market gave us this big gap down? What happened? Do we have data coming up today? Yeah, yesterday direction was pretty good. Okay, I like this hold here on the Q. Holding 492 again, just like yesterday. We'll see. News on China? Okay. Thank you, Donnie. So we gotta play the extremes here again. On SPY, yesterday high and yesterday low. On the Q, yesterday low, Tuesday low, and yesterday high and Tuesday high. Because the market's been moving on a big range. I'm watching Tesla Tuesday low. Okay, nice bounce here. We had no data today? Let's see. We do have data at 10, and then we have one Fed speaking at 3:30, but that doesn't matter. Yeah. Ooh, tomorrow is gonna be ugly. You have data, a bunch of data pre-market, and then you have a bunch of Fed speaking like at 10:15, 10:45, at 12:20. We have Powell speaking at 12:30. Tomorrow is gonna be a little bit tricky to trade. Hey, morning. Okay, 492 holding on the Q so far. The market's still looking kind of weak. Okay. Nice bounce there out of our 492 level. IWM pretty weak. It's right at yesterday's low. Morning, morning.
Every drop a burst of light, cutting through the morning stride. Swift and bold, the only way.
Another 492 bounce there.
Every day.
Tesla pretty weak. Reacting the VWAP. Shop looks like it wants to go higher. Looks like it wanna fill the gap above, which I don't like it because I'm still holding my shop puts.
A dash of milk, a bold caffeine kiss. Macchiato makes me feel like this. Sharp and steady, clear and strong. Driving the rhythm of my song.
We gotta be patient today, so at least I need to be very patient today because I don't wanna get fake out or chop around like yesterday.
A simple smile, the world ignites, turning darkness into lights. Macchiato mindset never fades, feeling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk it takes control, pouring vigor within my soul.
Everything is very, very weak. Everything but Apple. Well, Microsoft is also holding pretty good.
Embrace so grand,
Nvidia is doing nothing,
holding courage.
pretty much sideways. Amazon is looking pretty weak. Microsoft kinda holding. Apple pulling back now, but it's still holding above the VWAP.
Wake up, warriors of the grind. Leave your worries far behind. In this cup, take shape a dream, more precious than it may seem. Macchiato mindset never fades, fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk, it takes control, pouring vigor within my soul.
Okay, nice bounce again. I took that bounce there with one account here, 1400. I thought it was good scalp. It was definitely worth it scalping there. It's been bouncing out of this level like now 4 times. Tuesday low is a level that SPY needs to break if you want to see more downside. It's Tuesday low and Tuesday high. That's pretty much the 2 levels that we need to keep an eye on, like the main ones.
Leave your worries far behind. In this cup, take shape a dream, more precious than it may seem.
Kinda waiting for SPY to go a little bit lower and see how it's gonna react here. Pretty much tap yesterday low, but I kinda wanna see it to going to Tuesday low. If not, I'm gonna wait for the VWAP. If it breaks there, we play a little bounce there. If it reacts, we can play the reaction. I don't like how shop is looking so strong. Definitely looks like if the market turns around, shop wants to go. That's bad for my puts. But I'm gonna wait and see how it's gonna react to yesterday high. Definitely looks like it wants to fill the gap that it has higher.
Sip by sip, ambition flows, navigating life's ebbs and flows. Americano heart and soul keeps us burning, reaching goals. Through the highs and lows we stroll, endless fire in that bowl.
Okay. 592, definitely a level to watch here. The Q keeps bouncing. Doesn't look strong, but it keeps bouncing there.
Unfazed by the day's bright gleam, riding high on coffee's beam. From dawn till dusk, no slowing pace. In every drum, ambition's trace. In every brew, we celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate.
Yeah, we have gaps everywhere. Yes. Yes, definitely. So what I'm looking here is if SPY or the Q breaks the VWAP and use it as support, most likely I'm gonna play the upside and looking for maybe gap fills today.
Morning rituals, therapy, caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful bites, a magic spell in this mocha world.
Hopefully can wait for us before data, like after data, so we can enter after data. If it just goes and gets too far from the VWAP before data, it's gonna be a little bit difficult.
With this blend, my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips.
I like that. I like this move, definitely.
Fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend, my day takes flight.
Yeah, so we want to see it's this this candlestick holding the VWAP And then we play the upside here. But we have 8 more minutes till data. So up to you if you want to risk it here and hold it through data, or you want to wait for data and see how it's gonna react. There.
Keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet. Starting strong.
So basically, better safe than sorry, or better earlier than never.
Dreams and bustling days. Feel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino.
Yeah, risk it for the biscuit. Up to you. I'm gonna wait. It definitely looks pretty good. Like the risk to reward entering here, it's pretty good. At least with, I think with options or shares. With futures it's very tricky because still it's too far from support. But with options you can definitely hold this drawdown here and waiting to see how it's gonna react here if it goes lower. Ooh, that's an ugly candlestick. That's ugly. Ugly reaction there. IWM rejected 206 and the VWAP. That could be a good entry to the downside, but again, we have data in 6 minutes now. Okay. Hey, morning. Tricky price action so far. I don't like this ugly VWAP reaction. Yeah, that's true. Like it's been very tricky with these type of candlesticks here. One candlestick can easily blow up your entire account if you're going with big size. So yeah, we need wider stop losses, which is very difficult to have with futures. With options, it's fine, but with futures, no so much. Freaking shop going higher with the market going lower. I think I'm gonna have to most likely get out of that trade if breaks yesterday high. Because of that, I want the market to die. So a shop filled the gap already. Let's see if it's gonna keep going higher or if we're gonna see a reaction here. But so far it looks pretty strong. Tesla reacting the VWAP. IWM, beautiful, beautiful 206 reaction and VWAP reaction.
Precision brewed, it keeps me clear. Chill vibes follow when it's near.
3 more minutes till data.
It sees me through. Every sip, a world anew. Life feels lighter, taste the cream. Lost in liquid like a dream. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup. Dance of beans ground to delight. Warmth embraces day and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just
Nvidia reacting yesterday's low, that's no bueno.
rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
Morning, morning.
Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop.
Okay. Are we gonna have another 492 pounds here?
Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
Okay, we have data, it's out. Let's see.
Warm and smooth, a steady stream. Latte carries me to my dream. Sips of comfort from the start. Sows my soul and warms my
So far, it's looking good. We need this 5-minute candlestick of at least one to hold the VWAP as support so we can trade this upside.
sanctuary in each cup.
It keeps reacting there.
The world just gets too much. In these latte layers, find my calm. Every sip, a gentle song. Ideas flourish, thoughts take wing. In this warm embrace, I sing.
Okay, Shopify. Let's see if yesterday high act as support, which it looks like so far. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade and take my L. Yeah, I don't like how strong it's looking.
Inspiration brewed just right. Morning turns into delight. In these latte layers, find my calm. Every sip
It's fighting there.
gentle song. Ideas flourish, thoughts take wing. In this warm embrace I sing.
Yeah, definitely I'm getting out of that one.
Morning fog, but now it's clear. With a sip, my mind shifts gear. Half awake yet fully numb. Cortado helps me claim my zone. City buzz in crowded streets. Balanced tones make my heart beat. Half and half, no need to roam. In a cup, I found my home. Keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back my soul. In the mix of black and white, liquid calm, it's pure delight. Stay awake but not too bold. Perfect blend, I'm feeling gold.
Okay, so very strong market.
Claim the day, no need to rush. Sip the peace in such a hush. Take a break, let life unfold.
592, beautiful bounce all morning.
Worth their
That was the right level to watch.
keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back my soul.
Short and bold, it hits just right. Ristretto powers me through the night. A tiny shot, a mighty lift. Focus.
I think 578 will be the next intraday resistance here, but I'm looking for the entire gap to get filled today, or at least yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna go for the gap. Okay, coin alert. What's going on with coin? Oh yeah, coin, if can hold yesterday high as support, I think it's pretty bullish. And with the market bouncing today, it's even better. It kind of have an inverse head and shoulder also.
Morning ritual keeps me sane. Chasing dreams through sun and rain.
I would say Wednesday high, yeah. If can break yesterday high, it's pretty good.
Taking me ever higher. One shot to rule them all. Wrist rattle, hear the call. Sip it slow, let it flow. In the cafe where dreams grow. Small dose, big boast. Here's to
Damn. Beautiful, beautiful bounce here. I got in on this pullback. And I'm out because 578 on SPY definitely could act as resistance. Maybe we can get a pullback here, or maybe some consolidation here, and then I think then we can see for another bounce for the entire gap fill. But it needs to hold 578 support.
Coffee swirls in creamy bliss. Finding peace in moments like this. Tasks and chaos fade away. I forgot those saves the day.
Beautiful, beautiful. Today the levels are definitely working. If you see like how SPY held yesterday's low all morning, same thing with the Q. Yesterday's low acted as support all morning. Now we have SPY at 578, kind of reacting there. Definitely we can wait for a pullback here, or maybe a break and retest out of the 578 level.
Moments pause, a gentle trip. Recharging in a cup so small. I forgot who beats them all. When the world feels too fast, in this cup I'll make it last. Life's complexity.
So far, almost a 10k day for me. Just easy 492 bounces.
Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Affogato helps me thrive.
Floaty clouds and liquid gold. Nitro fuels the brave and bold. A gentle buzz, a flowing stream.
I'm watching 225 on coin. If coin can really break 225, I'm looking for a bounce here.
Like the sun. In every sip, adventures run.
Yep.
Through the veins, a lightning call. With nitro power, we stand tall. Feeling high, but stay.
I like how it's been holding there. It's been holding support the past few days.
We unite, riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare. In this time.
goes on and on. In the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro
And you know what I also like, maybe for a swing trade to the upside? Tesla. Tesla and even SPY and the Q. I like all these stocks that SPY and the Q ETF, because it's been down so much that I see that we can see the past. I will say today, yesterday, and Tuesday, we can see how both SPY and the Q were really trying to hold support, chopping around in a big range. For me, that's an indication that sellers are getting a little bit tired and we can expect a bounce here. I don't know if we're out of the blues when it comes to this big downtrend that both SPY and the Q has, but I'm definitely looking for a strong bounce, and then we'll see how it's gonna react here, because SPY and also the Q needs to break yesterday high for a real break of this downtrend. Obviously, everything depends if we have another bad Trump news, right? But when it comes to technicals, I kind of like pretty much everything for bounces. Maybe a one green day or 2 green days in a row. Coin looking pretty good if you can hold 225. Tesla, I do like Tesla. It looks pretty much just like SPY and the Q. It's been down for like 2 months now, or a month and a half, and it's starting to look like sellers are getting tired, and that's when we'll see big bounces.
Vienna blends a productive beat, soft yet strong, it clears my mind, positivity in every grind.
But I definitely like more coin than Tesla.
Winter's chill, gentle notes that slowly thrill, whispers of a city wide awake, finding joy in each mistake. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups, life's a sip, slowly waking up, echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such vibrant days. Afternoon breezes, stories unfold, mysteries in streets of old. Clock hands dance what tales they tell, loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace, every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet their dance, chance on chance for a life romance. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups, life's a sip, slowly waiting.
You ask the same question every single day.
Echoes of laughter,
You've been here for a while. You should know that by now.
writing chapters in such vibe.
I'm still holding Reddit. Reddit is still looking pretty good. Still on that swing trade. In fact, I still like it for an entry here.
Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace,
So right now I'm only holding Reddit calls. No, I haven't been, I'm being lazy. I haven't been using my walking pad for a month now. I need to start doing it again. Okay, let's see if we have a break and retest type of play here. And we can go for the gap.
One shot, two shots, I'm ready to go. Fuel in the fire, letting the work flow. Bold and strong, no time to delay. Espresso's here to kickstart the day. Sip the power, feel the might. Morning rocket taking flight. Eyes wide open.
I know I honestly love my walking pad. I don't know why I'm not using it.
Magic starts the crave. Late nights, long days, never give in. Cup in hand, it's a win-win. Dark
Sei molto brava.
is my secret key. Espresso's got a hold on me. Sip the power, feel the might. Morning rocket taking flight. Eyes wide open.
578 still reacting here. We want to see like a clean break of this level and then a little pullback and we can enter longs there.
Every drop a burst of light. Cutting
Yeah, it's kind of like a treadmill.
swift and
But not like the ones that you see at the games.
espresso rules my everyday.
So this is a walking pad.
Sip the power,
This.
morning rocket taking flight.
Oops.
Eyes wide open, no more haze. Espresso's magic starts the craze.
Okay, nice hold there. Nice hold there.
A dash of milk, a bold caffeine kiss. Macchiato makes me feel like this. Sharp and steady, clear and strong. Driving the rhythm of my song. In the morning light it blooms, setting fire to sleepy rooms. A sip, a smile, the world ignites, turning darkness into
I'm kind of waiting here because I want to see a strong candle closing holding this level. Because the one before it was with a long wick. I want to see this one closing strong and then the next one being red but holding this level.
a bittersweet embrace so grand. Holding courage in my hand. With every gulp, a battles won. Chasing shadows
Yeah,
till
that one is a good one.
wake up, warriors of the grind. Leave your worries far behind. When this cup takes shape a dream, more precious than it may seem. Macchiato mindset never fades, fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk it takes control, pouring vigor within my soul. Macchiato mindset never fades, fueling dreams.
Microsoft was very clean today. Like, it kept holding the entire morning the view up and the 396 level, and now we have like a very clean upside move here. Microsoft is looking pretty good. 405 will be the level that I want to see Microsoft holding as support for a real bullish move the coming days, I will say. Yes, 405. So I'm gonna put an alert around there and then just wait for that break.
This cup takes shape a dream, more precious than it may seem. More precious than it may seem. More precious than.
Long and smooth, a steady stream. Americano fuels every dream.
Ooh, that's an ugly candlestick there.
Endless focus with each sip. Chill yet driven, no time to slip.
That's why I want to see like a strong candlestick closing there. I don't want to see wicks.
Every cup
In fact, these kind of look like a good reaction play.
against the odds and
But I'm not gonna take it because the market right now it's pretty strong. Even though it just gave us an ugly reaction there.
morning buzz to late night grind. In that cup our strength we find. Sip by sip ambition flows, navigating life's ebbs and flows. Americano heart and soul keeps us burning, reaching goals. Through the highs and lows we stroll, endless fire in that bowl.
Yike.
In every stream, winging on that
Definitely a good call getting out of these my upside trades, watching SPY 578.
day's bright gleam, riding high on coffee's beam. From dawn till dusk, no slowing pace. In every drum, ambition's trace. In every brew, we celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate.
Yeah, you don't want to see these candlesticks here at resistance. You want to see a strong candle holding.
Chocolate dreams that never sleep. Coffee whispers, secrets deep. A mocha love that fills the air. Sweet productivity everywhere. Morning rituals, therapy. Caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful bites, a magic spell. In this mocha world I dwell. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips.
Okay, I got coin 225 for next week. My stop loss is gonna be if cannot hold the VWAP.
Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight.
Very choppy price action here now. That is what I don't like. That is when I don't like trading. Futures, at least. This candlestick could easily stop me out with a big red day.
Foam so light, a gentle guide. Cappuccino keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet. Starting strong on rhythmic beat. Coffee dreams and bustling days. Fuel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Whisper steam in morning light. Chasing shadows out of sight. Sip by sip, the world awakes. New adventure.
Okay, I like this hold here. But can we trust it?
Latte leaves a milky trace, but this foam holds steady grace. Every drop a spark divine. In this cup our stars align.
Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Yeah, it's getting tricky here.
Chilled and smooth, it sets
A pullback to the VWAP will be perfect. Yeah, like a quick pullback here with a strong bounce out of the VWAP. That will be very good to enter loans.
Coffee's magic in this place. Whispered words ignite the spark. Fuel for ventures in the
Because I definitely think the market's gonna go higher today.
confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind at ease. No rush, no race, just feeling right. Cold brew, love in morning light. A dance,
Why I feel higher? Because one, it has a gap above. Two, the market's been holding and consolidating at support the past 3 days after being on a very strong downtrend. So a bounce day. I'm expecting a bounce day. And in the morning, the market did nothing but holding support. So, and you have a 30 minutes bullish engulfing candle. Everything is screaming bullish. Morning. Everything, you don't have anything bearish right now. It's just playing around here, getting very choppy here. And but the bigger time frames are like screaming for a green bounce day. Especially after this 30-minute candle here.
silky smooth, a gentle drive. Flat white keeps my work alive. Precision brewed, it keeps me clear. Chill vibes follow when it's near. Morning glow.
Oh yeah, like one thing is reading the charts, and another thing is news or bad data. Yeah, news. Like you can do nothing when it comes to news.
Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
I'm gonna go for more coffee, and I'll see you guys in like 1 minute. I'll be back.
Dance of beans ground to delight. Warmth embraces day and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup,
laughing currents, gentle brush, moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins, flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup. Warm and smooth, a steady stream. Latte carries me to my dream. Sips of comfort from the start, soothes my soul and warms my heart. A blend of ease, a touch of glow, whispers sweet in every flow. A sanctuary in each cup. When the world just gets too much, in these latte layers find my calm. Every sip
Damn, what a move. What a move.
is flourish, thoughts take wing. In this warm embrace I sing.
What a move. Beautiful, beautiful 578 hold. Today it's a very clean day. We have a little chop fast here, but it's very clean.
Every taste, no sip ever goes to waste. Caramel drips and hazelnut through the layers. Love
Can you give me a pullback here so I can enter loans, please? Por favor. Ayúdame.
morning turns into delight. In these latte layers find my calm. Every sip a gentle song. Ideas flourish, thoughts take wing. In this warm embrace I sing.
Yeah, por favor, amigo. Yeah, give me a pullback here. Morning.
Morning fog, but now it's clear. With a sip, my mind shifts gear. Half awake yet fully numb. Cortado helps me claim my zone. City buzz in crowded streets. Balanced tones make my heart beat. Half and half, no need to roam. In a cup, I found my home. Keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control.
Beautiful, beautiful move today.
Shadow gives me back my soul. In the mix of black and white.
For me, these lows hold here on the spine and the Q was very telling. Yeah, the coin is looking pretty good so far. Reddit is also looking pretty good so far. I like it both. Let me see what Tesla is doing. I also like Tesla a lot. But I'm happy with what I have right now. I have Reddit, I have Coin, both looking pretty good.
Take a break, let life unfold. Simple pleasures worth their hold. Keeping steady.
Shop fucked me over, but it's fine. I took the L there. Shop looks crazy bullish. Yeah, I think it can go back to 115, 116. And for SPY, the Q was definitely buying the dip today at this support here in the morning and then just forget about it. Just having the gap in our mind and just holding unless you break these lows.
Short and bold, it hits just right. Where straddle powers me through the night. A tiny shot, a mighty lift. Focused vibes are its special gift. Steaming hot and dark as gold. In every drop, a story told. Wake me up and set me free. Ristretto, can't you see? Sip it slow, let it flow. In the cafe where dreams grow. Small dose, big boast. Here's to the coffee we adore most. Morning ritual keeps me sane. Chasing dreams through sun and rain. Tiny cup, but huge in might. Ristretto shining bright. Dark and rich, it fuels my fire. Taking me ever higher. One shot to rule them all. Ristretto, hear the call.
Okay, so if we can have a pullback here to either these high here, these candlesticks highs, as close as possible to 578, that will be a good entry to play the upside continuation. If we can have that, please, por favor, ayúdame, amigo.
A sweet escape in the daily grind. A forgot clears my worried mind. A touch of joy with a hint of zest. Productive moments are the best. Coffee swirls in creamy bliss. Finding peace in moments like this. Tasks and chaos fade away. Affogato saves the day. Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Affogato helps me thrive. Tiny joy in each sweet.
Okay, I like that pullback. If we can get a little bit more, would be a good entry.
Charging in a cup so small.
Or we can be a little bit risky here. because I'm watching this little support here, this support here, and then obviously the main one is 578.
Life's complexity unwinds. Affogato clears my mind. Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Affogato helps me thrive.
Floaty clouds and liquid gold. Nitro fuels the brave and bold. A gentle buzz, a flowing stream. Nitro brings life to every dream. Bubbles rising like the sun. In every sip, adventures run. Through the veins, a lightning call. With nitro power, we stand tall. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite. Riding waves throughout the night.
Okay, maybe this is the pullback that I need to enter here. We'll see.
Nitro's beat goes on and on.
Okay, I'm gonna try it out.
In the glow
What?
of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just get by. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite. Riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare. In this
Yeah, exactly. I was looking for a pullback and now I need to try it.
in the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just get.
Honestly, I wanted to take it with ES instead of NQ, but that was a little mistake because I'm looking at SPY, but whatever.
Riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare. In this tide we find our song. Nitro's beat goes on and on. Nitro deep throughout the night, yeah. Whipped cream kisses, coffee so sweet. Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. Morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that slowly thrill. Whispers of a city wide awake. Finding joy in each mistake. stirring dreams in porcelain.
I like it as long as it keeps holding above this level, and if it cannot hold this level, it's definitely going for the VWAP. But I'm not gonna hold all the way down to the VWAP.
Down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such vibrant days. Afternoon breezes, stories unfold, mysteries in streets of old. Clock hands dance what tales they tell, loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's gray.
You also have Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft pulling back.
Every moment will embrace.
Okay, this is a level that I want to see holding. If cannot hold, I'm definitely gonna have to take the L here.
For a life romance.
Okay, that's a bigger candle that I was expecting, to be honest.
Life's a sip,
Need a bounce here.
waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such vibrant days. Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace.
Ooh, I don't like that reaction.
Every moment
Okay, I got out.
will embrace.
I don't like that reaction.
Penny Sue's meet their dance, chance on chance for a life romance. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip,
I don't like that reaction, and I don't like this 30-minute candle here.
echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Yeah, I think having your mindset on the right, like I think mindset is the most important thing when it comes to trading, and understanding that trading is about winning and losing money. So if you cannot handle losing money, you should not be trading, because that's part of the process.
Eggs on the skillet, bacon and air.
Yeah, sticking to my rules and my setups is a must. That's why I always said how P&L doesn't matter. What matters is your setup.
Toasted breadcrumbs, golden and light. Setting the mood, everything's bright. Spoonful of sunshine, fresh and sweet. A morning to
Okay, so I'm red with these accounts. That's 5 Tradeify accounts. Green with this one, and green with the other one that I already closed, that I showed you guys earlier today.
strawberries red.
I'm not gonna mess up with these accounts again, because I'm gonna apply for payment tomorrow or in 3 days, don't remember. So I don't want to lose more of the money that I have there.
Spoonful of sunshine, fresh and sweet.
Oh yeah, that's right, it's trading, not winning.
Warmth in my heart, spreading wide.
Man, what a fake out.
Rising right by my side.
Yeah, definitely looks like a break and retest, although I would definitely wait for more consolidation here because you have an engulfing bearish candle. I think the safest thing to do is just waiting for the VWAP to go a little bit higher here, and so you can have the VWAP closer to your candlesticks.
Alarm clock rings, no time to snooze. Jump out of bed, no blues to choose. Coffee in hand, I'm on the move. Feeling the rhythm, finding my groove.
And it's 11 o'clock, so you can definitely see some consolidation or expect some consolidation. Bull flag? What is, I don't, how is this a bull flag? I don't see that as a bull flag. Just a bounce out of an important level. Man, what a fake out. I hate you.
Traffic hums a symphony. City wakes in harmony. Every heartbeat, every beat adds to morning rhythm sweet. Colleagues smile as we connect. Laughter spreads, can't neglect all the joy that mornings bring. In the groove we find our swing. The morning groove, the rhythm.
What the heck? Nasty fake out, yes. So why we got these big move for only to do like a V recovery?
Colleagues smile as we connect. Laughter spreads, can't neglect all the joy that mornings bring. In the groove we find our swing. The morning groove, the rhythm.
If I hold, there will be a winner. Yeah, if I hold, it can be a bigger loser also, like yesterday.
Embrace the dawn, seize the day.
I'm still like, I haven't had a red day so far. I had red trades but not red days.
Dreams of night begin to bloom. Sunrise paints the skies above. Waking world with quiet love. Whispers of the morning breeze.
What's the difference between a bull flag and a V recovery? You can Google that. That is a huge difference.
Nature's choir tunes again. Peaceful awakening, calm and kind. Morning moments soothe my mind. Grateful heart begins to stir. Ready for what will occur.
What the heck?
Warmth of sun upon my face. Day begins with steady grace. Coffee brews its fragrance spell.
Ooh, what an ugly candle there. So yeah, this is how I'm doing so far. I'm still green. 43 over 43k is up this month.
World unfolds with clarity.
Definitely I feel like I've been over trading because the market's been so choppy that I'm getting fake out left and right, but ending the green.
Awakening, calm and kind.
It's not like how I like to trade, but it is what it is.
Grateful heart begins to stir.
This month so far it's been, well, I'm not gonna say this month because it's too early, but this week so far it's been pretty difficult. Last month it was awesome, over 116k. This month so far 43k, but I blew up 3 PAs. No, 5. I'm sorry, 5. I blew up 5 PAs, I think on yesterday or Monday.
Peaceful
don't remember when it was. I think it was Monday. Yeah, Monday. We're still green today, even though with this red trade with trade of I, but we're still green for the day. Yeah, of course. Still the beginning of the month, yes. Doesn't matter if Trump is good or bad for the market. That don't matter. What matters is if it's good or bad for the country. And I think he's pretty good right now. I think this let's not talk about that. I don't care if you like the president. For me don't matter. What matters is how I trade.
Coffee brewing in the air. Grab your shoes and show you care. Adventures waiting everywhere. Take the leap if you dare. Rise and shine, the day's brand new. Morning's calling, it's time to move. Spread your wings and touch the blue. Every step's a dance with truth.
I do have stats on that, but the thing is, the market in the morning, the past 2 weeks, has been very choppy, and you got a good move in the afternoon. Not today. I think today was better. Well, I don't know how the afternoon is gonna move, but yeah, I think today was very clean with this support hold. So I don't think it depends on me because also I don't trade much in the afternoon. Like if I'm green in the morning, I do not touch my most of the time I don't even watch the charts in the afternoon. If I'm red in the morning, yes, I do look for good setups in the afternoon. But if I'm green, no. So I don't think that stats are like important. Again, because also it depends how the market is moving.
Rise and shine, the day's brand new. Morning's calling, it's time to move.
But I think looking like I think me like being red in the morning and then looking in the afternoon and turning around, that could be a good bad thing hearing for you guys if you're kind of struggling being a profitable trader. Like I've been doing this for so long that like I can easily turn this around later today if I see a good setup. But I still think the more you trade, the more possibilities you have there, then that you're gonna end up the day red. But I still do it because I know most of the time I can turn it around and end up the day green. But that comes with experience. How long I've been trading? 8 years now. Yeah, in the morning it's a hit and run. If I'm green in the morning, I do not even open my charts.
Let's see what adventures unfold. Morning dew on blades of green, wiping clean what might have been. Bright horizon stay serene. Echoes of a fresh routine. fresh start, the world's aglow. Morning whispers, let's say hello. Dreams awake and start.
2 years. The first 2 years I lost money. So and I never heard anyone that it was green the first 2 years.
Brushed by daylight's gentle hand.
So
Charted, oh so grand.
6 years, 5 years and a half, I've been green,
Found plan.
consistently making money.
Life's a game, meet the demands. First light, fresh
Last year was my biggest year ever when I started trading futures.
whispers, let's say
It was too easy to make money. I think it is too easy to make money with futures. Not with futures, with futures prop firms. Having that possibility of copy trading over 20 accounts or 20 accounts, and just understanding that if you make $100 with 20 accounts, you're making a bunch of money, and it's extremely easy to make $100 every single day trading futures is just mind-blowing. Like, I don't know why not every single person is using that. Like, with that, it makes no sense for me if you're trading futures with your own money. Like, why?
dreams awake and start to flow. Moments sparkling.
1,000 hours? I don't think you can say how many hours you need to put on in the work to become profitable with trading or to become good at anything. I think it depends on you and your mindset. It depends on the individual. And also, not only the mindset, also it depends on the how you're doing on your day-to-day when it comes to money. Like, if you start trading in full time, it definitely, you're making it more difficult for you because you're not getting money from a regular 9 to 5 job, right? So you're desperately trying to make money and you're putting more stress on you. But if you start trading and you have a regular 9 to 5, so you cannot be on the charts all day, and you have a stable income, I do think it's not gonna affect you too much starting trading and losing money.
sets the tone, casting peace we've never known. Brand new start, a chance to fly, soaring high up in the sky. Morning dew on blades of grass, moments here that never pass. Sunrise whispers secrets loud, find your place among the crowd. Every morning brings a chance for a wondrous new romance. With the daybreak we embrace every hope and
Like, it's funny because every time I talk with somebody and they ask me like what I do, and I tell them that I'm a trader, they always say that, oh, I tried that too, it was doing pretty good, but I decided to keep it to still be like, to stop and just keep doing what I do, which is a regular 9 to 5. Oopsie. And that tells me that person just lost money and because it was too difficult to be profitable, they just quit, right? So when it comes to trading, I think you just anytime anyone asks me anything when it comes to trading, I always tell them you're gonna lose money the first 2 years. If you're okay with that, go for it. And I told them that like 5 times. You're gonna lose money the first 2 years. And they're come like, yeah, but you can make a lot of money. Yes, but you're gonna lose money the first 2 years. If you're okay losing money consistently every single day for 2 years, you still want to learn this, go for it.
Leaves are rustling, soft and sweet. Grass beneath my waking feet. Hints of sunlight kiss the dew. Nature's symphony shines through. Morning melody, soft and clear. Nature's music draws me near. A hymn so pure, a tune so free. The morning sings its song to me.
Yeah, and so if you're using Profirm, so think about this. How easy it is to lose over $200 when you start trading. Very easy, right? So even 5k, like most of the people lose over 5k the first 2 years. So if you pay for a Profirm account, you can start practicing there. You only pay like 100 in total, like 200 maybe, even under. Like with Apex, you pay 35 for the eval, and then if you pass, you pay 125 for the funded account. So that's under 150. But let's just say you go with the expensive one, which is Tradeify, and you go for a straight to funded account. So you pay under 250. Let's just say we pay $200. You pay $200, and then you have a drawdown of 2k. So you're paying 200 to be able to lose 2k, $2,000. So that's the math that I always think about. Like here, I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, under a little bit under 6k, right? Like I lost like 5,200, but I didn't lose anything technically. I didn't lose anything because I still have these accounts that I pay like 400 for each, because these are 50k accounts on Tradeify. No, less, because Tradeify right now has, let me see how much I pay for these accounts. So the 50k accounts for Tradeify, trade to funded, yeah, they are like 400 each. So if I pay 400 each, but I lost here 1,200 each, but I still hold it. I still didn't lose any money here because I still have those accounts. I didn't blow up those accounts. I'm not losing any money. Nothing, nada. So why would I be using my own money, my own account, if I have this possible outcome? Like if I were trading my money, I will definitely be down over 5k here, but not with props. With props, I'm not losing anything. It doesn't matter how much they take away. Some take away like 10% of your profit. Others take away nothing until 25k, until you make 25k. Even if it is 50-50, I will still use it. Doesn't matter. You're not making money. Some take 10% of your profits, others don't take anything until you make 25k.
Peaceful vibe within this room. Life's a canvas I'll consume.
What I use? My top 5? The top 5 are the ones that I use. Those are the only ones that I recommend. You guys have it on the screen. Apex, My Funded Futures, and Tradeify. Those are the ones that I use. Even if they put you on a live account, you're still not using your money. You're using some of the profit that you made, but you're not using your own money. So this is what I can tell you guys. If you use the top 4, the top 3 that top 3 prop firms, or top 4, top 5 that have been around for years, you're gonna have no problem as long as you follow their rules. That's it. People that I see complaining that they did not get paid is because they don't follow the rules. I never had a problem if I follow the rule. If I follow their rules, I've been denied, yes, because I fail one of their rules. That's it. I mean, you're playing with their money, so you gotta follow the rules. You can't complain about that. Their money, their rules. You don't like it, just don't use them. You don't lose their money. Never. So this is how prop firms work. You pay for a account, right? You lose money, you make money. This money is not real. You guys do know that, right? So they're not okay. I lost over 5k here. I didn't lose my money, and I didn't lose their money, because this money is fake. They pay you, so if you make money, they pay you out of the fees that they charge every time you buy a account. They don't pay you out of the money that you make trading, unless you are on live account. But when you buy a prop firm account, this money is technically fake. You're not making any money, like real money. They make money not out of you making money. They make money out of everyone that fails and buy accounts.
The sun peeks over hills that yawn, with every light drop of dew on the lawn. Dreams unfurl like morning blooms. Whispers.
Yeah, it's real to me also. Okay, we have another pullback here, but it's starting to look a little bit weaker than before. What happened with Amazon? That's a big candlestick for Amazon. Yeah, I do like bread Simba, and Tradeify pays very fast, very easy rules to follow. That's a good one. I will say, if you're studying trading futures, I will say go with Tradeify. Yes. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that it was like Apex makes around 10 and 15 millions dollars monthly. Like profit. That's their profit. After paying everyone, they make over $10 million monthly profits. I don't know, I never use take profits. I only can talk about the ones that I use. I use Apex, My Funded Futures, and Tradeify. And if you want to start using prop firms, go with Tradeify or My Funded Futures. And they go 1 million from you. I spend a lot of money also on Apex, but I get paid more than I expend. So it's all math. What's important is what's going into your bank account and out.
Morning sun begins to rise, our little haven, no disguise. Jam spread thick on toasted gold, warmth of dreams that never get old. Coffee brews its gentle song.
Every time they have a good promo, I just go and buy a bunch of evals. And then I also use those evals for when I kind of feel like eager that I want to trade. I use those evals to try it out, to test it out, different setups, different ways of trading. Because I'm still kind of new when it comes to trading futures. I'm only been trading for a year and a half, trading futures. And I also like having like past evals in the back end in case I blew off some PAs. I can have those evals ready, and I don't need to waste my time trying to pass evals fast. So I always have 20 PAs and a bunch of evals.
Happiness in each simple bite, a moment perfect in its light. The world outside can wait for now.
How long it takes? Like three business days, I think.
Each morning light, a brand new scene, a toast to dreams and what they mean.
This is starting to look weak. I do not like it.
Become part of this place.
Let's see if the Q can hold the view up here.
Sweet, our hearts in rhythm gently beat.
Amazon is crazy weak. Nvidia looks like it's losing the VWAP. Let's see how Microsoft and Apple are gonna react there at the VWAP. But it's not looking bueno.
Sunrise spills on
Yeah, it's not looking strong. These 30-minute candles are ugly,
like a
especially the Q. I was definitely expecting for a more upside here and fill the gap. But the market's still screaming weakness, downtrend, no bueno. I'm starving, so I'm leaving. It's almost 11:30. Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go make my breakfast, go to the gym, play peekaball later today.
that put me at ease.
So yeah, I'm done here. Watch out how SPY is gonna react here. I do think it looks like it wants to go lower, so I will say keep an eye on the VWAP here. Um, yeah, if cannot hold the VWAP, it's gonna go back down to today's low, the same level that it was yesterday's low and Tuesday low. The Q definitely looking weaker than SPY. It's already losing the VWAP. That is no bueno. But yeah, I'm done here. What else? Boo boo boo. No, that's it. I'm still green for today. Green here, red here, and green on the other ones that I showed you guys earlier today. I already closed that window because I didn't want to feel like trying another trade there and giving back my profits there. So, ooh, what was that? That's ugly. Okay, so we started to be very choppy, ugly price action. Be careful here. If you're green, be done. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.